It's day 178, where we test the power of showing up. 2 slices of high-fiber wheat bread with mood food peanut butter ulit tayo before working out. Tinatandaan talaga natin na fuel is important before workout kasi kailangan natin ng energy to lift weights. Natutunan din natin to kay Gabfit Enriquez. Backday tayo today at 5 times a week tayo nag-workout. 1 muscle group per day. Disclaimer lang ha, lahat ng sinishare natin dito is documentation and application lang ng mga natutunan natin from friends sa gym and fitness creators sa social media. Nagtatry na rin tayo ng progressive overload at sana tama yung ginagawa natin. At dahil nagmamadali tayo after workout, so binaon ko na lang yung whey protein at sa office ko na siya ininom. Sa lunch naman, meron tayong 180 grams salad na langka na nabili lang natin, 150 grams tuna tofu, and 3 boiled eggs. Pero 2 yolk lang yung kinain natin. Sa dinner, 4 boiled eggs na lang muna tayo. So overall for today, nasa around 1,120 calories tayo with roughly 88 to 90 grams protein. At kaya natin tinatrack yung protein kasi ito yung isa sa mga importanteng nutrients na kailangan natin para sa muscle growth and recovery habang naglo-lose tayo ng weight. We're learning and applying at the same time. Hindi man tayo expert pero nag-show up tayo araw-araw para matuto. Kaya dito na muna tayo to show up again tomorrow.